Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi router AX3600 device. Now I can show you how to limit speed of this network, how to limit speed for all peoples or for desired devices. So I'll show you it all. So firstly, let's check the Wi-Fi speed when I am connected to this Wi-Fi network. So click go and let's check the speed. And my provider gets me speed between 600 and 700. So as you can see now I have 600 megabits per second, and now uploading speed I have under 60 megabits per second by provider. So as you can see, I have it, and great. And my Windows device, I'll show you it. My Windows device has very old Wi-Fi adapter, and maximum speed I can reach on my Windows device it's 50 megabits per second of uploading and downloading. So I can't reach 100 megabits per second on downloading or uploading. As you can see, it's the max my computer can reach. I can't reach more. So it worse, I thought. Oh my gosh, okay. Let's try again. Okay, now it's good. So yes, 50 megabits per second, it's the max my device can reach. And great. So now let's open advanced on our device settings, and here in the advanced, here, as you can see, we have smart QoS bandwidth allocation. So here we have the speed limit, and if you wanna set up the limit for all users of your router, you need to use this item, this setting. So 1024 is the maximum you can set up on this device. This is the maximum speed, so it's 1 gigabit and 24 megabits. So it's very fast. So it's unlimited in my case because I have because I can use only 600 megabits per second or 700 megabits per second. Cool. Now let's change it. Let's change it to, for example, 50 for 10 megabits for upload and 10 megabits to download. Click OK, and it's very important to enable the smart QoS bandwidth allocation. Enable this feature, and great, filter is working right now. So now let's check the speed on our PC and on our smartphone. And both will have 10 for download and 10 for the upload. Oh, of course, under 10. It's strange, maybe because I am doing it simultaneously from the one place. Maybe because of it. But as you can see, result I have the result, and the result is very good. So cool. And now, for example, I wanna use here for every device. So now I'll show you how to use this filter like a parental control. For example, this is the household Wi-Fi, and now, for example, any device has normal Wi-Fi speed, but for the child, for example, I wanna set up very slow Wi-Fi speed. To do it, I need to click edit here, and for example, my desktop will be child device. For example, for the child, I want to use another speed. So you need to remember. So here we have kilobits per second, not the megabits, but kilobits. And 1 megabit is the 100 kilobits. So if we wanna set up, for example, 20 megabits per second, so we need to set up 200 megabits, kilobits per second. Now I have 2 megabits and 20 and 2000, it will 20. So click OK. Reload the all-class speed. And now, as you can see, for the downloading, I have 50, it's max my computer can reach, and in the uploading I will have 20. Because I have set it only for the uploading, as you can see. Yes, only upload. I have not limited the download speed. And here I will have under the 20. So 15. Great. 15 of course is under 20. So we have reached our result, and I will show you the normal speed. That normal speed is 50/50 on my device. I need to show you it again. 50/50. Great. So as you can see, the network filters work, and they works great. Maybe not too good, but they works good. So maybe not ideal, like ideal network device, but I have never seen ideal network device. So I think it works great. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.